Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers. We are a home buyer in San Antonio that specializes in getting homeowners cash for their home very quickly, sometimes in as little as 7 days, as long as there's a clear title. If you've got a house that you'd like to sell fast in Dignowity Hill, this is one of our favorite neighborhoods in the city, just east of downtown in San Antonio. We've done a number of projects there over the years. We've been in business since 2012, and we've done well over 100 projects in San Antonio in that time. Some important things to know if you'd like to sell a house fast in Dignowity Hill about our company specifically is that we are the end buyer. So if you see "and" or "assigns" in the contract, that means that person can sell the contract. They don't have to buy your house. What we do is we buy your house. All you're gonna see is our company name on the contract. That's it, because we're gonna buy the house ourselves. Number two, we're gonna buy the house with cash. So we're not waiting on bank loans or our partner's approval or anything like that. If we're gonna go in, we're gonna spend a few minutes with you, look at the house, we're gonna make the offer, and if we make an offer, we will close on it. We'll put down a substantial amount of earnest money deposit and we'll get the deal done. So that's what we do, is we help homeowners that have issues with deferred maintenance, with back taxes, maybe it was a divorce or an inheritance or any kind of sticky situation where you're ready to just get a check and walk away. That's what we specialize in. And so if you've got a house in Dignowity that you'd like to sell fast, we'd love an opportunity to chat with you and maybe have an opportunity to earn your business. We want to make it the easiest transaction that you've ever been a part of in your life in terms of real estate. Thank you.